Kia ora, so we're going to have a quick look at the differences between Kei Hea and Ko Hea. So you might be familiar with Kei Hea, to ask where something is. Kei Hea te mea, Kei Hea te pukapuka, Kei Hea te kapu. And you're probably familiar with the kupu ko, which in a lot of beginner books, te reo books, it's described as a particle that's used before a name or something like that, like ko Grant, tōku ingoa, my name is Grant. So I want to show you how to use hea, the word for where, after ko instead of after kei. So the main difference is when we say Kei Hea te mea, the hea is replaced with the location of the thing that we're talking about. So kei konei te pukapuka, the book is here with me. Whereas Ko Hea, the hea is replaced as the actual name of the thing that we're talking about. So my example there, Ko Hea te maunga, ko pūtaua ki te maunga. You see, it wouldn't make as much sense if I said Kei Hea te maunga, kei pūtaua ki te maunga. E ka, ko pūtaua ki te maunga.